Yo, hello everyone. Looking to list your property on Airbnb in 2023? In this video, we will show you how to get started and list your property on Airbnb. From creating your listing to optimizing your listing for maximum visibility and managing your reservations. We've got you covered of everything. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So now guys, and as always, I will need you guys to go to the browser and then go to the URL section and search for Airbnb. Let's do that. So go here and search for Airbnb. As simple as that. Now just go and click on this website. I will need it to be in English, so let me just find the English website. And I think I will go through here, airbnb.com. It must be now in English. Yup, it is. Now, as you can see, I have already an account in here. So simply after you connect your account, which is simply by going to here, log out, and then clicking here, sign up. If you don't have an account, use your phone number, you have Facebook account, Gmail, Apple, or even just with simple email. You just have to do one of these options and then they will log you in. So it's not really that hard to actually create an account using Airbnb. So let me just log into my account once more. I forgot which one it was, Facebook or Google, but it is what it is. So I'm going to log in. Very simple. Here we go. Um, Here it is, and I agree. Now, after they have got our informations, just wait a couple seconds, and then they will load you to your account. Here we go. Agree and continue, and then Airbnb your home. So just go ahead and click on the top right corner and click on Airbnb your home. So Airbnb is you could earn so much money. So let's add a setup. So Airbnb setup. So here tell us about your place. Let's start by giving them some info about our place. So let's get started. The first thing that you can do is to tell them about your place. So click on next. Here, choose what kind of house or place do you have. A house, an apartment, maybe a boat, a yacht, like a home, hotel, and you have like bunch of options. So you can't really run off options. You have every single option that is possibly could. So let's choose a normal house. Next. And here, what type of place will guests have? The entire place, just a room in that place, or a shared room. So let's choose, for example, in our case, an entire place. Click on next. Here, where is your place located? So make sure to choose the correct address. At the moment, we couldn't find. Let's just choose, for example, whatever for me. So I'm going to choose, for example, New York and something like that. All right, and then I'm gonna click on next. So are you sure that is correct? Yes, my address is correct, and then next. Then next, and here share some basics about your place. How much people do you accept? How many bedrooms do you have? Beds and bathrooms. So let's say that we accept around 5 people. We have 2 bedrooms, around 3 beds, and here the bathrooms we have 2. So what? There is 1.5 bathroom. Okay, that is new to me. Alright, so 2. Then click on next. Here, make your place stand out. In this process, you have to choose the features that your place has. For example, we have Wi-Fi, TV, we have a kitchen, washer, air conditioner, and something like so. Everything here is done. We have a hot tub, patio, okay, pool table, outdoor shower. We don't need that actually. And okay, that's it. First aid kit and fire extinguisher. Now click on next. So these are the features that we have in our house. Now you'll have to drag your photos here. You'll have to choose at least 5 photos. So let's drag some random photos. So I'm going to go to downloads and select, for example, this one, that one, this one, and let's choose this one. So click on open and then the images will be uploaded as you can see. So 4 out of 5 has been uploaded, and yeah, I like it how it is. So click on the file is too small, please the upload. Okay, we need to upload one more image. hmm I'm going to choose this one. I hopefully this one accepts. So save and exit. It's not working. We need another image. Can we re-upload the same image? Alright, it is working. So let's click on next. Now let's give your house a title. So give your house a title. So for me, house tutorial. And then click on next. As simple as that. So house tutorial. All caps is not allowed in listen title. So house tutorial. Let's do that. And then click on next. Here, next, let's describe your house. Family friendly, central and spacious. So you can only choose to highlight so family friendly and central for me. Click on next. Here, choose a description. You can really just get a description from your brain, or you can use ChatGPT to help you create one. So it is not a big deal. You can keep even like their own kind of description, which is pretty simple. But I really highly suggest that you add here all the features, all the things that they might find in your house, and some rules that if you want to keep some rules between like you and the guest, for example, no smoking, etc. Finally, click on next. Then you will finish up and publish it. So let's go to the next step. Here, choose who to welcome for your first reservation. Any Airbnb guest or only experienced guests. So we can accept anyone. Click on next. Here, set up your price. So, for example, here you will like set up the house for 600 drams, and let's choose that. Accept it, or let's make it 700. Okay, place it like yours. In your area usually range from 450 to 760. So let's go with 700. And here's just one last step. How are you hosting an Airbnb? I'm hosting as a private individual. Does your place have any of these? Security cameras, weapons, dangerous animals? Nope. And finally here click on next, and as you can see this is our place. We can simply click on next and it will be launched successfully. Of course I'm not gonna launch it because they don't really seem to be a house. They are just some random images and it is only for the sake of this tutorial. So yeah guys, that's how you can do that. Thanks a lot for watching to now, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.